Now, from here, I check it. Negative 2 plus 9 times that 1 is equal to 8 minus 1. So, negative 2 plus 9 is just 7. 8 minus 1 is 7. That means that works. All right, give me a second. I got to remember how to do this. Negative 2 and 4, that would be 5 over 2. All right, how many of you got this one answer for the next one? Or 2.5?
Me, yeah, I got it.
Anybody not get this answer?
I got 2.5.
Okay.
Okay. I was making sure because I didn't make sure.
Well, guys, if you didn't get this answer, this is what this is for. So, like, if you didn't get an answer, you're raising your hand. So, I ask again, how many of you did not get 5 over 2 or 2.5? There we got more people. All right, so, yet again, I'm going to do this. But this time is going to be a little different. Are y'all listening?
Yeah.
I realize that 3x is the bigger x. However, there's stuff over here. There is nothing next to that negative x, which means I subtract the 3x. I'm left with negative 10, negative 4x. I do not want to have a 0 over here. It is harder. So, divide by negative 4, divide by negative 4. That's how you get x is equal to 2.5 or 5 over 2. And I'm going to go ahead and put this in, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like the other way. Because it's a variable?
No, I was looking at the other page.
All right, so this one, obviously, I get negative 5 over 2. This one, I get negative 15 over 2, which is 7.5. Am I missing something? All right, what'd y'all get when you get the second part? Because my brain's not wanting to brain this morning. 3 times negative 2.5. Okay, minus 10. Because did I do something wrong, y'all? Oh, I see what it is. I did a negative instead of a positive. I was like, something's funky. All right, that should also give me negative 5 over 2 or negative 2.5. I was like, that does not brain in my brain. All right, any questions there? All right, I need y'all to watch this. And I need y'all to understand why in the world I keep telling you do not do this. All right, I'm going to do the same exact problem, but this time, I'm going to move the other one. Do y'all notice how immediately I put a 0?
Yes.
The problem is you don't. And then you guys split it apart, and then your answer becomes negative. Because you're like, oh, I missed putting an X over there. You then have to do an extra step. Granted, you get a positive number, but still you get the exact same thing. It's more work. So when I tell you if there is nothing next to this negative x that you move the other one, that's what I keep telling you. That's the reason.
But it's not negative 2.5.
No. It was never negative.
Oh yeah, it wasn't.
This one's not negative over here. Because if you would have done it like this and then just called it 4x equals negative 10, then you would end up with a negative. And I've seen too many students over the years to allow y'all to do that. That's why I keep telling you, if there is no other constant next to your variable or your coefficient, move the other variable to that one. It saves you work and it will save you a wrong answer. Y'all good with that? All right, I'm going to give you 5 minutes to do page 57. We are going to continue page 57 tomorrow. However, I need you to at least do 2. Now, here's the deal. I don't know which two you've done. However, you still got to check to make sure you're right. So, once you have done your two, you can come look at mine. If you missed it, you immediately leave. You are not copying down any of my stuff. That is not the purpose of this. This is for you to check yourself. Okay? You don't know how to do this? You need to get your butt in for tutorials. I'm sorry to tell you, no. You need to come in. Since you're not asking me questions in class, come in. I don't even care if you come into me. Just go to a teacher and be like, look, I don't get three-step equations. Pick one. Guys, you're not offending me if you don't come to me. I promise. If I scare you or for whatever reason, go to another teacher. Seriously.